In this video, I will show you how to create Yahoo account. So first, open your Chrome browser and type Yahoo Mail in the search bar and then click on the first link that appears to go to the Yahoo Mail website. And once you're on the mail page, click on create an account. Now next what you have to do is fill in your details. So type in your first name and last name, and after that add your mail address and then create a strong password to secure your account. After this, select your date of birth from the drop down menu. Once you are done, click on continue and then you will be prompted to add a phone number. Once you add the phone number, and then at the bottom you will find two options, get code by, so you can choose either text or WhatsApp, whatever works for you. And then Yahoo will send you a verification code to your phone number. So check your inbox for the code and then copy it and paste it into the verification box. Once done, click on next, and that's it. You have successfully created your Yahoo account.